Hi, I'm Melanie Marden, an energy healing practitioner. Usually I speak to you from my office, but today, it being the beautiful day of the new moon, I thought I'd show you my session room where I work and do my energy work, my rituals, and pretty much anything and everything spiritual when I need to. So this here is my little reading table. This is my altar with my two beautiful boys who are in heaven now, guiding me. I did a little ritual to honor and bless our lives and my family with the new moon energy. My angel and elephant, and part of the crystals I work with when doing crystal and energy healing. And then of course my bed. So I want to invite you on this extraordinary day to join me in my embodied soul connection community on Circle, or visit me at www.angelhouseaustralia.com. I look forward to meeting with you.